So guys, one of the features that I really love that we have built in Buzzer is called PnL Visualizer. So PnL Visualizer is exactly what it means. It shows how your profits and losses fluctuated throughout the day. Okay. So I have not done the demo of Buzzer as of now, but the way it works is that you log in through your broker's account, and of course it is free. So in my case, I have logged in through my Zerodha's trading account, right? So I traded from Zerodha and I logged in through my Zerodha's credentials. So Buzzer can now show you what kind of a day it was and how the PnL fluctuated throughout the day. So in my case, for example, today was a very tough day. I'm sure those of you who traded, you will realize today was a very exceptional kind of a day. Almost 1% fall in the morning, then 1.5% kind of a recovery, and then market went sideways. So on a day like this, you would like to know where things went wrong. Okay. So for me, things eventually panned out fine, but they were not really great throughout the day. And that is something which I can see in the PnL visualizer. So I can see that by around 10:20, I was sitting in a loss of about 30,000. Yeah. So somewhere around here, when the market started to go up, this is where the problem started happening. And then from there, because I was able to align myself with the direction of the market, basically I sold more put options, and that's what helped me recover throughout the day. So once I see something like this, then it also gives me ideas about what are the things that I can do in future to avoid incurring this kind of a loss or avoid coming into this kind of a situation. Okay. Second thing which is good here is that I can also see the difference between intraday and delivery. So for me, I take two types of trades, discretionary and algo. Algo trades go through the delivery route, which is NRML trades. So today the algo trades did not do very well. That's the reason we exited most of them, and then they incurred a minor loss. Intraday trades, which are discretionary trades, they did better, and they were the one that actually helped me recover from the loss. And then they were also not doing great in the morning. By 10:20, there was a loss here also, but eventually they made money. So that is one slice and dice. Other thing is the segment. So this is all FNO. Primarily it's all FNO, but let's say you are also trading in the cash segment. You can click on the cash segment and it will show you. So now the reason it is showing like this for me is because at the end of the day today, I bought some ETFs, right? This is this one basically. That's the reason it's showing like that. Otherwise, I did not trade in the cash segment today. But if you do, then you can see the breakdown of both the things. So this is a very useful feature. This is a great feature which we have built in Buzzer. It's completely free. I will strongly encourage those of you who are trading on an active basis, on an intraday basis, to use this application so that you can analyze how your strategy behaves in different market conditions. Now we have also some aggressive plans about this application. We want to build more and more features that will help you guys, and we want to keep this application free. So we have a place where you can report issues and you can add some feature requests. So if you have some ideas about how PnL visualizer can be improved, for example, you would like to analyze the trade based on some other parameter which we have not listed here, do let us know and we will find a way to get it done, right? So that's basically what PnL visualizer is all about. So I will make detailed demo on Buzzer, how to use Buzzer, how to log into Buzzer. But since we are in the pre-go live mode, I just thought about talking about this one particular feature.